Greetings. This is Srinivasan Meka as part of the Harvard Extension course CSC E-33A Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. As part of the final project, I took up creating a customer service portal. A lot of customers have products when they sell, but they don't have a good portal for the customers to reach out to improve the customer satisfaction. And as part of this portal, I'm offering two different functionalities to the customers. They can search on knowledge articles if they have an issue. They can search if that issue matches with them, like if an Oracle database crashes or like some issues come up or like a Microsoft Windows crashes, like you usually reach out to those portals to search for the issues. And here you can search for like I'm working in a bank, like I want to search for ISO 20022 for wire transfers, why my wire transfer is failing. That's the specification, and I've searched for this. My apologies. I had to log in. That's the reason it failed. Uh, so see, log in. Then you search for ISO. Then you get the just for search for ISO 20022, you find three articles or like based on the word, and you want to see okay why my payments are not getting uploaded. So like this is knowledge article and summary and how ISO 20000 payments are transferred. So right, and you have troubleshooting tips and basically you store these in a database in SQLite database as part of the Django implementation. And after you see the knowledge article and you say, okay, you found what you want or you didn't find, and you go back to home and you can open new, if you that issue did not resolve, you can open new request or you can search for another keyword like a banking transaction application and you find only one article because only one matched. And if you see here, if you search for BII, there's only one. So this is the only article which was found, and it searches and applies to our summary or solution or troubleshooting. Anywhere that keyword matches, it brings up that particular article, and that article is stored within our database, SQLite database. You can see here, and it searches through the database and then brings up those particular articles, right? And now, if you want to create and assume none of this troubleshooting tips did not help, you want to create a service request so the company can service organization can help you. Assume you something is not working right, you can say it's a significant impairment and system partially working, it's not working, so you can say Oracle just for the speed, Oracle Financial Accounting Hub Cloud Service. And title, I kept something here. Um, this is my title, and this is my issue. And type the issue here, and you say submit service request, and you can see that submit request what you just submitted. Uh, issue additional records, and you can see my name and the phone number I just pasted it, significant impairment. So the service requests are stored here, right? And you can create a new service request so the technical service engineer can work on this. And you can see when you click on this service request, it gives the details, what is the issue the customer is facing and what is the issue type. You can have the environment status and submitted by and submitted a date assigned to answer. And if you don't want to do anything like just now go back to the service request, you can go back to the service request, and now you can see like you have open service requests and you have queue of different service requests which are open, you can always search for, and you're logging in and seeing, and you're able to submit a request and somebody else on the other side, technical engineers are working to address your issues. And that's the purpose of developing a customer service portal. And I want to have a database and use like different tables. I used a customer service app for knowledge articles and service requests is separate tables. And I want have like two different kinds of users. Customers as one kind of users and technical service engineers as different kind of uses, and basically just want to demonstrate this